Aquí andamos en las montañas y está nevando. Estoy en el teléfono con Donovan. Pero aquí andamos en las montañas. Yo estoy bien congelado porque está a 28 de grados Fahrenheit. Y está nevando, mira. Es una tormenta bien bonita de nieve. Pura cocaína cayendo del cielo. Shit, I guess I'm gonna just have to record my fucking travels up here, cause me out in snow trying not to die.
The event of Daniel in an Amazon van.
I was just trying not to die. Okay, listen, you guys put me in a van with summer tires, alright? So they got me up here, losing complete traction. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna make it up that hill, but we'll see. So fortunately, by the looks of it, it looks like I'm stuck inside of this neighborhood. But I think I have an idea of how to get out if no cars pass by. I should be good. Like Mater. And ooh, come on. Slowly but surely. Okay, or not. Because I can get out of this. I can get out of anything. I take that back. Look at that. I'm just just sliding down, dude. Let's try that again. One more time. Go. Nope. I just made a hole. That's what I wanted. Oh, you got this, you got this, you got this. Oh, yeah. Attaboy! Attaboy! Hell yeah. Oh. Yeah! Attaboy! Fuck that, dude. I'm going home. That's what I'm saying, dude. This is stupid. Wow. Amazon.
Yeah, I took plenty of pictures of
this. This could have been avoided if you gave us good trucks for the winter. Yeah, before. Oh, dude. Yeah, see, I told you, you're just gonna slide little 360. There you go. See, I would have much preferred this van than. Look at that. Lucky bastard. He made it out like nothing. Meanwhile, I had to get stuck in and, I don't know, eat a couple deer while I was down there. There you go. Meow. Meow. Dude, I'm not doing that again. This winter's gonna be ass for this route. Cause, well, if they give us good vans like this one, but with better tires, we should be good, but not these front wheel drive piece of turds. Oof. When that comes to the fun part, there's a hairpin up here that I forgot I went up. I think, wait, no, actually there's no hairpin. This is just a straight road. Ah, the road. I can't stop. Okay, that's fine. Get traction. Here we go. No, get traction, keep traction. Get traction, keep traction. Get traction, keep traction. Ah! This honestly sucks, dude. This is the first time I actually hate driving today. I usually like driving in the snow, but this is the first time I actually hate it. This is fun. It was a very great time. Super great time. Having a blast right now.